my Fremont third graders. Today we're going to be looking at some different types of seeds, and our focus question to think about is what effect does water have on seeds? So I have my seed mat that I created because I left my actual seed mat at home. So we're going to be looking at a pea seed, a sunflower seed, a popcorn seed, a bush bean seed, and some groups will have the black-eyed pea seed because some of our groups will have groups of 4, some will have groups of 5. So we're going to first take a look at our pea seed, and as you can see, it is quite small. It's kind of wrinkly, it's dry, it's kind of like a tannish green color. It's not quite as green as my shirt, but it is slightly green. So I'm just going to put that right there with my pea seed. Then the next one we're going to look at is a sunflower seed. You can see it's a different shape and a different size from my pea seed. It's light tan with some dark tan or black stripes on it. Then we have a popcorn seed. It's very yellow. It's about the same size as the pea seed. So you can see they're pretty close to the same. It's yellow. It has a slight point on the top of it. I know it's hard to see. And that's a slightly lighter color. Then we have our bush bean, which is our biggest. It's definitely bigger than the pea and even bigger than our sunflower seed. It is a dark brown or black almost seed, and it kind of has some fancy little designs in it with a lighter brown. And then right at the side, you can see there's this little, very light, almost white spot on the side of it. And for those groups that have the black-eyed pea, it's again a small tan color, about the same size as the pea. And it's called a black-eyed pea because it has this black-brown mark on it that has a little white dot, so it kind of looks like the pea has an eye. What you are going to do today is you're going to look at which bean I assign you, or which seed I assign you, and you will be drawing your dry seed in your science notebook. So as you can see, I started by putting today's date, which is April 22nd. I'm going to draw only my seed. I do not have to draw all 5. You're just doing one drawing. You need to make sure that you put as much detail as you can in it. So if I was drawing this pea seed, I would try to draw it about the size that it is, which is pretty small. I would make sure that I add color to it because it is a slightly tan green color. And make sure you kind of show the wrinkles. And then you're going to say what your observations are. Your observations are going to be what you see and what you heard me say from when I described all of the seeds. So today you are looking at what seed I assign you. You are putting today's date, which is April 22nd. You are drawing your seed, and you are going to be using some descriptive characteristics and labeling. All of these seeds are dry, so in observations, I should see the word dry. They are all hard right now because they are dry, so you're going to write that they are hard, and then you're going to describe it. What color is it? This one is kind of bumpy. This one is kind of smooth. This one, the popcorn is smooth. The bush bean is smooth, and the black-eyed pea is smooth. So you're going to describe what it feels like, what it looks like, and that they are all hard and the colors that you see. Then what I did was I put all of those seeds inside our mini sprouter, which is just a cup with some seeds in it and a paper towel to help keep them wet. I'm just going to wet it. And we're going to let it sit overnight, and tomorrow we're going to take a look at and see if our seeds have changed.